A pear. Delicious. There are so many ways to customize your milk, from how you drink it to what you mix it with.
Once you ask an adult for permission, here's what you need to get started. You can get creative with your flavors. Try adding some bubbles and flavor drops. The sky's the limit. The next step is to add your favorite colors. Remember, a drop does a lot. Want to make a smoothie? First, you might want to ask your parents before using the blender. Then, you can add your favorite frozen fruit and flavors to milk and blend. Don't forget to name your creation. I call this one a smoothie. Get it? You can try using chocolate milk, different flavor combinations, different colors, and different fruit to make your own unique custom milk. Ready for the next experiment? You can click here to see more ways to mess with your milk.